kick and chase it every day. C is for cat, soft and small. It likes to play and chase a ball. D is for dog, friendly and bright. It wags its tail with great delight. E is for egg, oval and white. We cook it for breakfast, what a delight. F is for fish, swimming around. In the water it can be found. G is for goat, climbing so high. It munches on grass under the sky. H is for hat, I put on my head. It keeps me warm when I go to bed. I is for igloo, built from snow. A little cold house where Eskimos go. J is for jam, so tasty and sweet. I spread it on bread for a yummy treat. K is for kite, flying so high. It dances and twirls up in the sky. L is for lion, strong and loud. It roars so boldly and stands so proud. M is for moon, shining at night. It makes the sky so big and bright. N is for nest, where little birds rest. It's cozy and warm, the very best. O is for orange, juicy and round. Peel it and eat it, sweet taste is found. P is for pen, I use it to write. I draw little pictures, neat and bright. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. She smiles and waves as she walks through town. R is for rabbit, hopping along. It twitches its nose and is quick and strong. S is for sun, shining on me. It warms the earth and the deep blue sea. T is for tree, tall and green, with branches and leaves, a lovely scene. U is for umbrella, when raindrops fall. It keeps me dry, I hold it tall. V is for van, driving so fast, taking us places, zooming past. W is for watch, ticking away. It tells the time all through the day. X is for box, where toys can hide. Open it up, look right inside. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun. It makes me smile, it's so much fun. Z is for zebra, black and white. It runs through the grass with stripes so bright, so bright.